Hello, my name is Peter Oskam from Nautinect, Autopilot. Today we're going to install the linear drive on the boat of Herman. So these are the main components of the linear drive unit. It comes with a remote holder with a remote for easy operation. To mount it, this brass cup is provided, which slides on like that. If you want a drop-in replacement for the ST4000, you can use this extension piece. For the other pilots, all Simrads, Auto Helms and Raymarines, it's interchangeable with the default extension. The brains of the systems is the control box. So the wire comes in from the linear actuator and power, and you're good to go. The last part, I provide two remotes with a nice key cord to operate the autopilot from everywhere around the boat. So to wire the controller, you mainly have the 12-volt supply, so for the red and the black cable from your battery, and the motor A and B terminal. It doesn't matter which one you wire it. If the motor turns the wrong way, you just switch the wires. In this case, we are going to install a Rudder precision sensor, which is integrated in this linear drive. For further extensions, you can also wire a clutch for hydraulic clutches. Also optionally, you can wire NMEA 2000 or NMEA 01A3. For example, to use wind sensors or GPS signals, or to operate the autopilot via a chart plotter. These are the motor wires, blue and the brown wire. So these three wires are from the Rudder precision sensor. The yellow wire goes to the epsilon of yellow. So yellow provides a voltage to the Rudder sensor. White will be the ground wire, and red is the signal wire. The Rudder precision sensor outputs a voltage, and that voltage I can convert to a rudder angle. And in that way the chip knows what the position of the rudder is. So these two wires come from the battery. The ground wire is usually the black one, goes to ground. If you switch them, the circuit board is protected for that, but it's always better to just install it in the right way. The positive wire, which can be 12 volt or 24 volts. So it's tight, it's in. And now we're screwing back in the printed circuit board. Don't over tighten. So this little red LED of LED shows the power is on. The beep tells you all systems go. So now you see the blue LED coming on, which means the Bluetooth is connected. So let's open the app, and it's connected top left immediately. The settings are synced, so we're now good to go. So everything works. We can put the lid on. So we are now ready to install the tiller drive. It has a little push connection. Install it like this, put it in the socket. The base goes into the existing Auto Helm base, and then you simply connect it on a rudder. And now you can use the manual steering mode. You can also operate it via your phone or the other remote that I supply with the drive. And if you long press the +1 button, it turns on. So we're now going to calibrate the gyroscopes. We go to settings, compass and gyro. The top button is calibrate gyroscopes. It tells you place the boat dead still for 2 seconds. We press yes. We wait for 2 seconds, and it shows you the calibration data.
I choose this Autopilot because of its simplicity. What I think an Autopilot should do is the same as I do, you know. So it should steer better than I do. So I just enjoy sailing my boat and don't worry about the course. The course I see on the map, and the most important things for me is to tack with it. It should give me the opportunity to put on the sails, let them up, let them down. It's a simple thing, which I can understand. Oh, hier staat hij al.
Kijk.
Installeren.
To calibrate the rudder, we first turn the autopilot off. It can be via the phone. We go to settings. We go to rudder. Then we go all the way to the right. Then we set this is the right position. Then we go to the center position, which is a little bit. Is it in the center, Herman?
Yes, it is.
Dan zeggen we, this is the center. And this is the left position. Okay. If you now turn it on, it will go to the middle. And it tries to steer. So we're going very slowly. We're actually laying still now. Ja, we kunnen kalibreren. Rustig een rondje maken, mag harder, harder, harder. Ja, dit is een goede snelheid. Kijk, the circle colors green. And if we hit every point of the circle, if it's totally green, we didn't miss the point. Okay, yes, let's go. So this is the main screen. So it's now turned on. Sail for a course of 140. And it's now, the compass's reading is 142. But it's very light wind, so we are barely moving. We are actually standing still almost. Slowly comes to the set point. The tack function. So we're going to tack to the left. It counts 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So the boat is turning. Compass course is now 300, so we turn to the left. Compass course 290. The set point is 264.